How did I know you were going to know I like tennis right away? So, a few years back, well actually a lot of years back, I ran into a gentleman named Ross Walker. He played Davis Cup for Great Britain. Now for those of you that don't know tennis, Davis Cup is a world level competition. And when I was living in El Paso, Texas, I got to know Ross a little bit, and when I was leaving, after I left the Army, before I left, I called Ross up and I said, Ross, I've never gotten to play with a world-class player. Would you mind going out on the tennis court and hitting some balls with me? Well, being an avid tennis player, I was very excited about his yes. And I remember it very clearly. We played 2 or 3 sets, and I think I won 1 or 2 games. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. But when we were done, and I got my butt kicked, I walked up to Ross and I said, I was wondering if you could help me out. I've been working on this forehand my whole life. 10 years I've been hitting this forehand. And I'll tell you something, I got a doctorate at 55 years old, and when I found out that it was more about persistence and brains, I was very excited. Because here's the thing, I'll work hard, and I'm working on this forehand. I'm working on hitting thousands and thousands of forehands. And I said, Ross, what's my problem? He said, yeah, your forehand is terrible. All I have to do is hit it 3 times to your forehand and I'll win. And it'll never get any better. Well, I was like, wait a minute, I'm willing to change. I'm willing to work hard. What do you mean it'll never get any better? And he said to me, it'll never get any better until you change your grip. And I'm like, huh? Grip? See, I was taught with a certain grip. And he said, yeah, you got to turn your hand back over the racket so that you can bring it from high to low and be able to hit these balls low to high and do the. And he started showing me all these different shots I could hit with the new grip. And I was like, wow. I was so ignorant of the game after 10 years that I was doing things that I didn't even know were wrong. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I believe that that's what we do as leaders and managers. We are constantly out there doing things based on experience, based on our experience with other bosses and leaders and managers, and you've all got the wrong grip, and you don't even know it. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about this whole idea of building relationships and leadership. That's our theme today, is building relationships. Anybody here interested in building a relationship? Okay, I guess I'm done here. Here's what we'll do. Because, when Alice opened the book and you kind of went, oh. So I don't want to get too excited. I understand the audience. I don't want to get too expressive. I understand the audience. So here's what I want. When I get really excited, I go, are you with me? I just want to hear this little, yes, a whisper. Just a little whisper. Okay, let's try this. I just want to whisper, because I don't want to get too excited. Are you with me? Okay, somebody almost said it like it was a real thing. Don't take it easy now. Every Tuesday morning, my team and I get together and we meet. And one of the things that we do is we start off with a statement of gratitude. Let me start today with a statement of gratitude, and then I'm going to ask you to do the same. And I'm going to explain why. Because here's the thing. When we wake up on a Monday morning, like we did today, I got to play tennis yesterday for 2.5 hours. Outdoors! Yes! It was so beautiful out. It was 65 degrees. It was sunny. There was no wind. It was perfect tennis weather. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so grateful to have had the opportunity to both be healthy and to be able to experience those 2.5 hours of exercise playing the sport that I love. I would like you to take 30 seconds and turn to the person next to you and make a statement of gratitude. Anything, big, small, whatever it is, take a moment, turn around in your seat, find somebody to make a statement of gratitude. I'm going to give you a minute to do that.